Well, we were new to the area. We had just moved and we were looking for a preschool for my 4-year-old son. And we just really wanted him to be in a really loving environment where he could, learn about Jesus and make good friends and also, have a really good education as well. And so we started looking and we found Trinity.
Currently, we have 4 children enrolled in Trinity Lutheran School. Our oldest is going into 8th grade this year, and our youngest is in 4-year-old preschool. It's a tremendous learning experience for everyone. If I could handpick teachers from growing up in the area and being a part of Trinity over the past 7 years, I couldn't pick teachers that were more loving and adoring to each and every child in that classroom. Each of the children receive one-on-one attention and guidance on a daily basis.
I recommend that you consider Trinity for your son or daughter's preschool because it is such a wonderful, loving, caring environment where your child will learn so much, not just academics, but about loving and caring for each other, for themselves, learning about Jesus and the Bible, and it's just a wonderful time. The teachers are so caring and loving. The facility is wonderful. They will have so many opportunities and special projects that they get to do. It's just a really wonderful experience.
Next week, we're saying goodbye to Gary Lichtart, who has been our organist and choir director over the last 12 years. We all know what a great pipe organ Trinity has, when it works, but it's been Gary's outstanding musical talent that enables us to truly appreciate it. Gary will be joining the worship team at Good Shepherd Lutheran Church in Elgin, and we wish him God's blessings as he shares his gift of music with the folks at Good Shepherd. Next Sunday, July 28th, we'll have a reception for Gary in the Heritage Center between services. We've been blessed that Gary has shared his God-given talent for music with us over the years, and we invite you to stop by and let Gary know how much you appreciate his service and wish him well in his new position.
I hope you're all having a great summer. Taylor and I had a blast this week teaching a vacation Bible school class.
235 kids were in VBS this week, singing, praising, and having fun learning about Jesus.
The older kids did a service project this week, volunteering with Feed My Siren Children and performing skits at the community center for senior and child daycare.
Teaching and serving at Vacation Bible School is so much fun. You should try it next year. We can always use more help. Call Gail Kabazinski and get your name on the list for next year.
But now, join us as we tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is Lord.